Hello viewers, welcome to Android tutorial for beginners. Today I will show the example of list view. So at first we need to know what is list view. The list view is a view which groups several items and display them into vertically scrolling. The lists are automatically inserted to the list using adapter that pull content from the source such as array or database. So list view data came from the adapter, array adapter. So now we will show the example. Here is our layout. This is list view tag list view. This is the mass parent height rep content. So we need set the list view id list view. Here is the list view. Now we will get list view id from our activity. Go to activity, list view, and this is the list view object. List view find by id r id dot list view. So list view dot adapter set adapter. Now here we will put the my array adapter. So we need to create the array adapter. Array adapter array adapter adapter equal to new array adapter. This is string parameter, and this activity. First parameter is this, second parameter is layout, and third parameter is array. We need to create layout as like layout XML layout my list layout. So okay. So layout here we need to define the text view, text wrap content. Here we need to set id need to, label. No need to set layer, only we so this is the text view. this text view we will set the array adapter dot layout dot my list view. Actually, this is adapter um, layout, and third is my array. So we need to create array. We array such as mobile array as like Android, iPhone, Windows, Windows Mobile, OS, OS. We need to double quotation. Max OS X. So this is our array. We need to put array in our adapter. Finally, this adapter will put our list view. So our coding is done. Now we can run our project. Installing APK and running. So here is the list view: Android, iPhone, Windows, iOS, and Mac OS. So in list view, adapter, add adapter, we can make some design or as like we can set the text size 24 dp. Text color is primary dark color, and we can set the fading 10 dp. So we can run again our project for list view design. So here is the list view. List view, and every item below showing the divider. We can control the divider as like you can omit the divider, or you can omit, or you can divider any color. You can set the color. This is the running. This is primary color not showing. You can divider enable, divider header footer enable is 2. We can set the property of divider. So this is our list view. We can explain again. This is the list view, and this is the list view ID. And in the main activity, this we can get a list view by list view ID, and in list view, set adapter. In we make it the array adapter. Array adapter contain the array list, and this adapter make a, uh, make a data, and its data get from the array, and we can set the layout in array adapter for design. Then finally this adapter we can set the list view. So finally we got the list view item. Thank you.